Good morning. We are podcasting a smart snacking in a wild or camping. Let's get it up. Hey everyone. Welcome back to Trail Talk, your go-to guide for outdoor living, camping hacks, and everything in between. I'm your host named Abdulaziz Ambag and my friend Anwar Lusada. And today we're diving into one of the most delicious topics yet, healthy snacks for camping. Because let's be real, when you're out in the wild, it's tempting to load up on chips and candy. So, let's get into it. You're hiking, you're kayaking, or maybe just chilling by the campfire, and hunger strike. What should you reach for? Here are my top healthy snack picks that are perfect for camping.
Okay, number one is trail mix with a twice. Sure, trail mix is a camping classic, but let's upgrade it. Skip the prepackaged stuff loaded with sugar and sodium. Make your own with unsalted nuts, dried fruit like apricots or cranberries, seeds, and a sprinkle of dark chocolate chips. It's energy dense, lightweight, and packed with protein and healthy fats to keep you moving.
Number 2, roasted chickpeas. These crunchy little snacks are a fiber and protein powerhouse. You can make them at home by roasting canned chickpeas with olive oil and spice like smoked paprika, garlic powder, or even cinnamon for a sweet twist. They stay fresh for days and add a satisfying crunch.
Number 3. Nuts butter packets. Single serve almond or peanut butter packets are super convenient. Pair them with apple slice, celery sticks, or even whole grain crackers. They're rich and healthy fats and keep your energy levels stable.
Number 4, energy bars or DIY or low sugar brand. Not all bars are created equal. Look ones with simple ingredients and no more than 8 to 10 grams of sugar. Better yet, make your own with oats, nut butter, dates, and seeds. Toss them in the cooler or food bag and you're good to go.
Number 5 is dehydrated fruit or veggie chips. Forget greasy potato chips. Dehydrated fruits like mango, banana, or even zucchini chips offer natural sweetness and crunch. Just what's and added sugars in store-bought version.
So now, why do healthy snacks matter when you're camping? It's not just about calories. It's just about fueling your adventure. When you give your body nutrient-rich food, you stay energized longer. Avoid the sugar crushes and honestly, just feel better.
So next time you pack your gear, think beyond the marshmallow and hot dogs. Load up on snacks that support your body and your trip. Your trail side self. Well, thank you.